Hi, my name is Shannon Ward. I'm 26 years old and I live in Raleigh, North Carolina. I want to pursue a career in social work for multiple reasons. I got my undergrad in criminal justice and I originally wanted to be a police officer because I guess a part of me has just always wanted to help people. And then somewhere along the line, I realized that as a female, I want a family and being a police officer isn't exactly what I wanted to do. I have a father who is an alcoholic and he abused drugs. So, on the police side or on the criminal justice side, I did want to get into the drug field, maybe be a canine officer, just get drugs off the streets. So, in the social work field, I do plan on maybe working in a VA hospital or just working in the drug rehabilitation field just because that is my passion. That is something that I want to do. But I do believe all of that did happen for a reason, and that social work really is the path that I am meant to take.